Look at this guy! Look at this guy! Oh my!
That's a big storm. Good morning from Lake Ohrid. We are so excited today. We are heading out onto the water, not on a boat though.
We are stand-up paddleboarding, and that is just the start of it. Look how clear that water is. We're going to be there, just paddling away, looking down. We can see it apparently up to 22 meters down. That's how clear the water is.
That's actually quite deep, isn't it? Yeah, so we're gonna go and hire some paddle boards now. We were gonna do it later this afternoon, but apparently it's gonna get a bit cloudy. So we thought, why not do it now while it's still sunny, so we've still got good visibility. Everyone's trying to sell us boat tours though, but they're a bit expensive. 25 euros each for only half an hour.
Is it? Oh.
Whereas we're going to be doing paddleboarding for about 2 to 3 hours. So we're just walking to the paddleboard shop rental place that I found yesterday. But as we're walking through the old town again, and it is so pretty. Like, we were cycling through here yesterday and it was just so cool. Dun, dun, dun. Gorgeous.
Yes, yeah, we're happy to do that one.
Got it. Don't stay out in the storm. So we're just signing our lives away. And as she said, it's €8 per hour. We're having it for 2 hours, but that means you get it for 3 hours. So we're getting 2. So yeah, 16 euros each for 3 hours, which I think is really good. I have to give you. We've now got to carry these down to the beach. Perfect. Thank you so much. See you later. I'm so excited. She said there might be a storm at 2 o'clock. Let's hope it's not. There we go. Or maybe I could just plop mine in and just get on it there. That was literally like a 50-meter walk and I'm out of breath.
I'm so ready.
Yeah, I think I can just get on mine. Go on, you get on first.
It's always the first bit, you're always like, and then you're fine. Pretty chilly, yeah.
Is it?
No, it's fine. Gotta watch out for the snakes though.
God, there's one right by your foot. Oh no, it's not. It's your strap. I thought that was a snake.
Fiona's got a friend. Oh, look at him, he's well cute. Put yourself out, let me give you some room. Ready!
Whoa. Whoa. She's a thin one. I made it on. I don't think I'm going to be able to stand up. It's such a thin board. We're on. I'm not standing up yet, I'm just chilling. This is going to be so fun. So clear, isn't it?
Clear. Oh my God.
Look at this. I can literally see the bottom. It's incredible.
There's so many fish. Look how glassy the water's gone here. It's like completely flat. Oh wow. Look at this scenery. Oh, look at this.
So many fish. There's literally thousands. It's completely glassy, like not a single wave. Obviously we're in a lake, so you would expect it to be flat. There's no wind. This is so cool, honestly. I just like, it's so clear. I can't get over how clear it is. The water is just insane. You can see right to the bottom, like without anything getting in the way, just fish. Little fish everywhere. I can see the formations on the bottom of the lake. It's absolutely amazing.
There's a snake just under here. You see that? Oh my God, look. What? Look at that. Oh, here he comes, here he comes, here he comes. He's coming to see me. What? Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh my God.
We've just been paddling And look at this view. We've got the old church just here, and then all along here you've got like the old townhouses, beaches with sunbeds. I'm sorry, it's an absolute vibe. I'm living for this European summer. I've never done a European summer, so this is my first time. And I'm so excited to be here. It's honestly, it's so beautiful. It's like the slowest paddleboarding I've ever done. I just keep chilling. I keep just sitting here, taking it all in. Nick's all the way over there.
This is just incredible. The weather literally couldn't be any more perfect for today. Look at this glassy conditions. Obviously we're on a lake, so it's expected if you have it right, but it's just incredible. We were just saying then to each other, we could spend hours out here because it is just so peaceful. It's absolutely awesome. We're so lucky that 3 hours is such a good time to have, and it's such a good price as well for 16 euros for 3 hours.
I haven't seen any snakes yet, which is also a bonus. Nick had one swim right up to his board. I'd have died. I hope that doesn't happen. Look at this. So cool. Let's go and have a closer look. Nick's over there now, and it looks so beautiful.
Does it get any better than this? Look at the water. This was like one of those things where you didn't actually realise it was probably a bucket list thing, but getting a stand-up paddleboard and doing it on Lake Ohrid has turned into a secret bucket list tick-off. What an unbelievable experience.
We're reunited.
I'm here.
We've been reunited. Nick came back and got me. He's just so speedy. I love just taking it in. I'm a very slow paddleboarder. I'm not here for the exercise, I'm here for the views. And I'm just living my best life, I'll be honest. It's so beautiful. You look amazing like that because the water is gorgeous. Look, little ducklings. Ah, so cute. I keep forgetting we're on a lake and not the sea. And then you see ducklings. You're like, I'm on a lake. So we've just come around the corner to this next bit, and it is grassy and like forest-like. But look at the water. That really shows how clear it is because you can literally see every single rock underneath. It is wild. Oh God, I'm going into this bush though. Oh. We're debating whether to jump in or not. It does look really nice. It is freezing though. And I just saw a little snake, but it was only tiny.
I think you should do it.
Nick got in yesterday, but I was too scared. Right, here we go. Now's the time. It's now or never. It's so cold. I did it, and it was freezing. It was so much colder than I thought. I couldn't breathe. I was like... It wasn't very elegant, I'll be honest. And there was a big snake straight after. As soon as I got back on the board, there was one just swimming. I want to get back in, but I also don't want there to be snakes. It's a real tricky one. So the only way you can get to this beach here is either by paddleboard, kayak, or you can hike. There is like a walking trail. But how cool is that? I think we're going to go around the corner now, this way, and then we'll head back and maybe head onto the beach. Whoa. Oh my God, I'm like floating over a underwater forest. That is insane. I don't even know if you can see it on the camera. What? That is actually wild. There's so many. I would not jump in here. I'd be so scared. Whoa, this is insane though. Look at this. It looks crazy. Why? Oh, what? Excuse. Fucking hell.
I barely touched you. That was such an over-exaggeration. She survived. This place is genuinely insane. We just said to each other, it looks and feels like we've got a snorkel on, but we're just stood up on the paddleboard.
It's so clear. I think this is the clearest bit of the whole lake. So clear.
Isn't it? Oh, my board.
Oh no, he's going away. How is it?
It's so refreshing. This is like just the coolest thing ever, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just being in this lake. Look at my feet. You can see my feet. It's so clear.
I actually can see your toes. It's very sinky though.
It's so sinky. Lake water sinky. Sea water.
Floaty.
Not sinky, floaty. There is a massive sword in a stone here. Let's go see if we find it. Where is it, Fee? Oh, it's literally just underneath you.
I think it's underneath.
Oh my word. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. That's so cool. Let's have a closer look. It's a little bit eerie going down there. Yeah. I was like, if I touch it, am I gonna be transformed into another dimension, or am I gonna be cursed? There's loads of fish now.
Yeah.
Down there. Am I gonna be cursed and thrown into another world?
Nick's decided it would be a good idea to swap boards.
Come on.
Middle. Bearing in mind we just saw a massive snake. And it was swimming right towards my head, and I was just lying there having a really nice time. Oh
Ready?
God. No, I'm not ready.
Onto your knees. Just put one leg over.
Shall I just do both?
Go for it. You're going to have to do one leg at a time. Oh God. My legs, I'm doing the splits. Oh, look at that. We did it. Here you go.
Easier than it looked. Because Nick's board is way bigger and way more stable than mine. My one is so thin, and I nearly fell off it like 10 times. So, there you go.
We need the handle.
Oh, she's a wobbly queen, isn't she? Yes, she is. Back where we started. We're done our stand-up paddleboarding. The sun's gone in now, so the water looks really dark. So it's like really, really, really different. I'm gonna hit this wall and I'm gonna fall off. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Well, that was fun. I really enjoyed myself. Did you enjoy yourself?
I loved it. That was awesome.
It was so good. With perfect timing, because it's gone really cloudy now. And the lake, when it's cloudy, it just doesn't look as clear. So, perfect timing.
Perfect timing. Perfect timing. What a lovely way to start the day. It's actually middle of the day now.
Oh, we're starving now. We must go and get some food. Right, don't come for us. We caved. And we got a doner. We're missing it so much. And we saw it and we were like, and the price was so good, 150.
Oh my good lord. It's unreal.
Is it? We caved. But we are going to eat some more Macedonian food later today. So we'll hold fire on that. But for now,
Where's my face?
we've gone back to the Turkish food. It's so nice.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So after a lovely morning on Lake Ohrid, we have had some lunch and we just chilled out for a few hours because it went really great. The sky, it's like really, really cloudy and we can kind of hear some thunder now. But we decided to come out and have a little walk up to the church, the old church, which is on top of the hill, which we could see it earlier. But yeah, we're going back along the boardwalk where we went yesterday and then up the steps, up to the church. Me and you.
Do we both trip at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh God. Down. How confusing when it's up. That means we've got to go down to then come back up again. Look at this view. Wow. Look at that view, babe.
That is awesome.
Whoa.
Oh.
That just hit the lake. That was insane. Look at the rain. Oh my good lord.
It doesn't look like that big of a weather system, but
That was
there was
big.
big lightning, wasn't it? What
We stand-up paddleboarded all the way around here earlier. All the way around. Is there going to be lightning again? Whoa. That's a big storm.
What? That was huge.
We are just sat on the edge of this church watching this storm. It's absolutely massive, but it's also tiny. So this church actually dates back to the 13th century. And it's so famous because of its position, like it's literally on the corner of rock that goes, it's just surrounded by the lake. It's super impressive. From down on the lake earlier, it looked so beautiful. And even from up here, it's just a completely different perspective. And now we've got a lightning show to watch as well.
Gorgeous. Oh.
We completely forgot to do a room tour. So here we go, our studio apartment in Lake Ohrid. We had the bed, gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Sofa, wardrobe. These open up to a balcony, which is actually really nice. I'll show you through. Little balcony.
Love that.
You can just see the lake, like through the trees you can see the glistening. We had a table, a television, and a kitchen. It was perfect. It was honestly perfect. And it was £19 a night, which is such a bargain.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in Tirana, Albania.
Woohoo! Country number 31, baby. You pushed me over.